Good morning. My name is JBN Dr. Vishal Saxena, and today I am going to take a lecture on the module Introduction to Operation Research, which is a part of the subject Operation Research and studied in the courses BBA, BBA, LLB, 6M. So first we see the definition of Operation Research. So operation research is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions. Further, the term operational analysis is used in the British and some British Commonwealth military as an intrinsic part of capability development, management and assurance. In particular, operational analysis forms part of the combined operational effectiveness and investment appraisals which support British defence capability acquisition decision making. So the main one concept of the operation research is here. It is helpful in making decisions. It is often considered to be a part or subfield of the applied mathematics. Operational research encompasses the development and the use of a wide range of problem solving techniques and methods applied in the pursuit of improved decision making and efficiency, such as simulation, mathematical optimization, queuing theory and other stochastic processes, Markov decision processes, economic methods and data development analysis, neural networks, expert systems, decision analysis and the analytical hierarchy processes. Nearly all of these techniques involve the construction of mathematical models that attempt to describe the systems. Because of the computational and statistical nature of most of these fields, operation research, which is also known as OR, has strong ties to computer science and analytics. Now we take the subdisciplines of modern operational research. These are here: computing and information technologies, financial engineering, manufacturing service science and supply chain management, policy modeling and public sector work. Next is revenue management. Then one is important subdiscipline is here: simulation, stochastic models, transportation, assignment and other etc. are the subdisciplines of the modern operational research. So now we take the history of the operation research. In the decades after the two world wars, the tools of operation research were more widely applied to the problems in business, industry and society. Since that time, operation research has expanded into a field widely used in industries ranging from petrochemicals to airlines, finance, logistics and government, moving to a focus on the development of mathematical models that can be used to analyze and optimize complex systems, and has become an area of active academic and industrial research. Historical origins. In the 17th century, mathematicians like Christian Huygens and Blaise Pascal tried to solve problems involving complex decisions with probability. Others in the 18th and the 19th century solved these type of problems with combinatorics. The modern field of operation research arose during the World War II. So during the Second War it just grows up and in the World War II era, operational research was defined as a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for the decisions regarding the operations under their control. Some other names are also there. Other names for it included operational analysis and quantitative management. So we have seen here the operation research subject is a very important subject and it has a vast scope and has very great applications in different fields such as business, medical and the other fields like agriculture, finance, production. So the subject is a part of the study and it is studied in various courses here like MBA, BBA in different universities. So with this here we conclude our topic here for today's lecture. Thank you.